Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reset audio settings to default in Windows 11. First step is click Start, Settings, System. Click Sound, click Volume Mixer. Click Reset. Click All Sound Devices. Click Check for driver updates. Click Device under Input Devices. Click Check for driver updates. Second step is type mmmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmmsys.cpl. Select Playback Device, click Properties. Click Restore Defaults. Click Restore Defaults. Click Restore Defaults. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.